What's goody, what's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be getting some more ride-alongs in. I got one of my homegirls that she volunteered to be a ride-along in the Honda. So right now we're gonna go get the Civic from where I got it at. We're gonna go put some E85 in it, go pick her up. We're gonna give her a ride-along, head back to the house, you know, get this video. It might be short, might not. I'm trying to make it kind of short and sweet, but we'll see if we can get her impression, see if we can scare her with the lucky penny. So hopefully we can scare her. I feel like I will, because I don't know what the fastest car she ever ridden in. I didn't ask her. I'm gonna ask her when we get there, but yeah, we're gonna see what we can do, man. So let's get over to the Civic. Let's take it up, get some E85. Alright, so getting the Civic all warmed up right now, so that way we can take it over to get some E85. I'm gonna go right here. It's the E85 station, like probably like a mile from here. Check them out, make sure they're gas station. I'm gonna see if I can get some E85 from them. And then we're gonna head over to her house, pick her up, interview her a little bit, see what fast car she ever ridden in. And then, I don't know, probably after that, just scare the shit out of her. But right now, warming up is number one, so. Alright, so getting some E85. Getting some E85, so that way, alright, getting some E85 right now, so that way we can get this ride along going. Let's see how much, you know, we're gonna need. Pretty sure it's not like half the tank. See, no, my car better. Alright, bet. Alright, so we got the E85 straight out the pump. $3.81. Damn, E85 is kind of expensive. Alright, so I use pump E85. You know, some of these guys out here using, you know, straight out of the can, pure E85. I'm out here just using this pump. It's probably not E85. It's probably like E68, E72. You know what I'm saying? So put this stuff in, get her all filled up, because tomorrow morning I am gonna drive this car to work after this ride along. So get it all filled up. We're at $12 right now. So let's get this thing filled up. All right, so we're at $20, well $18, $18.10 for 5 gallons. I'm pretty sure this is a 12 gallon or a 10 gallon. I can't remember. When I bought it like before I did the swap on any of this car. That was the first thing I bought, was a E85 tank. So now we got the E85. Let's go pull up on my homegirl. Let's go see if we can scare her. Yeah, so you scared or what?
No.
You're not scared? All right.
No.
So what's the fastest car you've been in?
I don't know. Jacob used to take me on the dirt track in his Jeep and fucking whip that hoe, so.
All right. So we'll see if we can scare you today then.
Okay.
Oh, we need it.
How fast you go with Grace?
This thing was like 80. Not that fast.
That's weird. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I've got about a little over 120 in the patrol car going to Montana, so.
All right, I guess we can compare it to the patrol car then.
Huh?
I said we can compare this car to the patrol car. That works.
Okay. Did I offend you? My bad.
No.
No?
I want to say
Okay.
you went 120 in there. I want to show you 120 in there. I
Okay.
probably won't go that fast. Probably people on the freeway. But it should be.
No, 100%. Not gonna lie, I do like the fucking gears though.
You say you do?
Yeah.
What?
I don't know.
hide it. Like this shit.
Ah, fuck it.
saw what I spent on everything for this car, you'd probably throw up. It's a lot.
Did we go triple digits?
Oh no, I ain't got that far. Goddamn. I had money like that, boy.
I wouldn't be here.
I wouldn't be spending on a car. It's probably like around 30.
Ow.
It's close to 30.
That's not bad.
Shit. On a Honda? That's pretty fucking terrible.
Did you get a whole new engine and shit?
No, that's without the engine.
No, without the engine.
Yeah, the engine I got from somebody.
Oh, okay. So the engine alone.
Yeah, I got the engine from somebody, added my little parts to it.
That's
just to make it like all-wheel drive, all this shit like this. Yeah. Shit adds up.
I would do. I really do. like that shit every time I see a video of it goes ding. I'm like, oh.
You can make it do that, yeah.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it does that too. If it's not in the right spot. This guy in the Honda's probably like, what the fuck?
Like, what the fuck is going on?
He's like in the same exact year.
How'd he do that? Damn.
Slow down.
I'm glad this thing is loud because I am laughing like a fucking little kid right now. What we get up to?
Probably 100.
That's it?
Yeah, I can't go much further.
I know.
Well, that's when I let off. I looked down. It was 100. So I don't know.
We barely tapped it.
Well,
Now I need these suckers to move. Let's see this shit.
Can I take that back? That was 130.
Huh?
That was 130. Yeah, if we didn't have traffic, it'd be. I would go
Okay,
way
good.
faster.
Damn. If we gotta go onto like a back road or whatever to go fast, fuck yeah. Cause
I don't think it's any roads I could really reach like that. Shit. We'll probably have to wait another day, maybe.
I say I'm off tomorrow. I got shit to do.
Yeah, I gotta fix the car tomorrow. I got a couple of things I gotta do.
Okay.
This weekend, maybe.
I work this weekend.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. I mean Friday.
Yeah. Friday during the day.
Yeah. Cause that's an 8.
Try to aim for that.
Okay.
Now you're over it, you bastard. Damn. That's an asshole. That time I moved down, it was at 130. I was like, oh, yep, shit. Didn't feel like it. It was so much easier doing it at the spot that me and Gracie did at.
Where's y'all doing?
I'll tell you off camera. In Mexico, if anybody has.
Ah, I got you.
You can't tell, can't disclose the location.
No, you're good. That's classified information.
Yeah.
We need to go faster.
Yeah, he's limited
It's
by
just-
traffic, so
I know, but no, fuck yeah.
just
It's like a little kid in a candy store.
just like as far as it was now.
Oh, it was fucking fun as fuck.
Yeah, bet.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna set up another one, like guaranteed, because
Okay.
this car can go like two something. So
Hey, we better get up there.
yeah,
Better
definitely.
get up there.
Probably like at night. Probably just one of the days when you get off day, I'll scoop you up, put Paige in the back, and then we just all fucking go.
Oh hell yeah.
So yeah.
I say we
All
can
right,
do
bro.
it Friday. After.
Yeah, me and Paige be off.
Yeah, y'all
Just
are
let me
off.
know.
I get off. I'll probably get off at like 5 if you don't want to wake up that early.
I'm always up, so
Okay.
just let me know.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, bet.
Catch you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I got you. All right, so knocked out a ride along. Tried to, man, it sucks. It's the hour where all the traffic is like definitely hitting the freeway. You know, it's for me, it's kind of dangerous to do it during traffic, but I'm in Mexico. I do what I want. So we're gonna go back home, go see our beautiful wife, and try to you know, she doesn't like the ride along, so I'm gonna try to go kiss ass to her. She hates the ride alongs just because I'm trying to build my channel, and to build your channel you need clickbait, and I'm gonna give my homeboys a ride too, but you'll get the views, the subscribes if you give women like rides in your car. So I'm not doing it because I'm trying to get with these women at any way, shape, or form. Merchant is literally a friend of mine. I've known her for like 4+ years, maybe. I don't know. We've known each other for a long time, so Paige just doesn't get it right now. But when she starts seeing the money come through, then she's gonna have her hand up. So let's get to the house. All right, so I got the final parts for us to make the drag strip. So we got our last teeth for our hydro handbrake. Then we got denting springs for the transmission, so we can be a little bit more notchy when we shift. One thing I noticed with the car is that it's like my viscous coupler probably needs to be rebuilt, because now I'm taking off. I'm noticing like once it's rolling, it's not, you know, giving me that oomph anymore. So the fluid might need to be changed to like probably a 50K. I'm not gonna go 60K. Josh told me that's a little heavy, so I might go to like a 50K kind of fluid. I might say F it and then go to a 60K, but we'll see. For right now, we're just gonna keep it in the car, keep the car as is. Hopefully, if the viscous coupler is slipping a little bit more, we don't run 9s, we run like 10s, hopefully. Not even 10s, hopefully we run like 11s, because I'm trying to stay in it. You know, I'm trying to stay in the class that I'm in. So hopefully it runs like 11s, low 11s. But it was cool, little ride along, quick, you know what I'm saying, like I was saying. So I'm gonna install these parts on Friday, get the hydro handbrake officially done so we can be able to use the stage. What's up, Tank? Say bye, Tank. Say peace.